Hi, in this video, I will show you how to use Copilot in Excel. So first of all, if you don't have Microsoft's upgraded to a plan, you will not be able to use it. So basically, you'll need to buy a Microsoft 365 plan to use it. If you want, of course, to use it inside Excel itself. If you don't want to do that and you want some workarounds, you can, as an example, try to open them both, like open Copilot as an example in one tab and Excel in the other tab. And here to Copilot explain what do you want to do in Excel, and it will give you like equations that you may want to do manually without Copilot. It may give you a lot of other useful things that you should do normally by your own. So if you have normally Copilot, or if you do have Microsoft's bots with a plan, you should find it at the right of these add-ins. Of course, this will be working both on Excel if you're using it on the web, or even Excel if you have it downloaded into your PC. So normally on the right of this add-ins, so at the moment, as you can see, I only have here some stuff, but normally you should find this at the right of it. You'll find the Copilot option. If you click on it, you'll be able to talk with it. But as I said, you will not have it if you don't have a pro plan. So if you want, in these add-ins options, there are some very useful tools that you can use for Excel itself, like this GPT for Excel Word. As you can see, it's an AI agent for Excel. You can ask basically for formulas, formatting, cleanup, lookups, charts, pivots, analysis, bulk. Of course, you can use it both on the web and also on the application, as you can see. So you have here a lot of add-ins that you can add and use for free. So you can use here Excel for web for free and even add an add-in, and it will help you as Copilot will do if you are not willing to pay for the full price to get like Microsoft's premium plan. So as you can see here, it's an AI agent. Like this add-in is an AI agent like Copilot, so it's totally up to you. So you have two options. You either have to pay, or basically three options. Either you have to pay and you'll find an icon on the right of this add-ins, and you'll be able to start using inside Excel, both on web and application, or maybe have this Copilot on the other screen. Tell it what you want to do, but you'll not be able to import it with one click, as it will be inside Excel. So you'll basically have to import these things that it will get you manually into Excel. And the last option is to use other add-ins like they have in here, and they have multiple add-ins basically for that, as you can see. So yeah, that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.